Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to delete your videos on YouTube. It is very easy to delete a single video, but if you have to delete all videos uploaded on your channel, then you have to follow this video. You have to follow my instruction. After watching this video, you can easily delete all those videos from your YouTube channel in a single click. Before starting the video, I have a kind request. If you find this video informative, so then please like, subscribe and share the video. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open your Gmail. Okay, you have to go to your Gmail and you have to log in that email on which you have a channel and you want to delete those videos. For example, I have many Gmails. So for example, I want to delete the videos uploaded on this channel email. Okay, so I will open that email. Okay, after click on that particular email, you have to again click on that icon. I mean, you have to click here and you have to click on this icon, manage your Google account. Okay, you have to go there. You have to wait for a second. Okay, then you have to do nothing but you have to click on this thing, data and privacy. Okay, you have to scroll down after this and yes, this Google delete a Google service, you have to click on this thing. Okay, you have to wait for a second. Okay, you have to verify by your password or your fingerprint, so I am just giving my fingerprint. Okay, it is confirming that it is mine. Okay, then you have to just click on this one. Okay, delete YouTube videos. I have 233 videos. I have to click on this and you can hide your channel and you can delete your channel. If you want to hide, you have to click here. Okay, it will hide, it will make all your videos private. If you want to delete, you have to click on this icon and you have to select these two things and you have to just click on this thing. Okay, after clicking on delete my content, your all videos will be permanently deleted from YouTube. Okay, so I hope you find this video informative. So like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video if you find this informative. We will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching.